Welcome, friends, to Simply Forex, Trading Forex Simply. I'm your host, Max Farrell. This is the website, dextrader.com, and you're staring right now at the Simply Forex portal. If you're already a member, this is going to really excite you. What's about to be released over the next couple of days, even the next week or so, is an opportunity of great proportion. What I mean by this is that in this world of trading anything, in Forex, the commodities market, any of it, this industry is riddled with scam artists and rip-off artists, people that just want to take your money and head for the hills. We know this. Why do we know this? Well, because we personally have been ripped off and hurt in this industry. And when we decided that we wanted to make something better for other people, we had to first make it for ourselves. Now, I'm a firm believer in data collection. Data collection is my biggest trait with the entire company. Why? Because data will provide you the information on what to do and what not to do. That's right. If you have enough of it, you could calculate all different types of variables into certain things. Where most companies falter when you see these black box deals or these bots or EAs that are out there is that they come on board and they grab just a short period of time, which shows a lot of little success. And you're like, wow, look at that. Yeah, they went from here all the way up to here. That's pretty good. But what they normally don't show you is that it looks like that. And they only focus on this short period of time. So in most cases, most companies will also have so many variables, variable 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 100, maybe not that many, but at least up to 20 or 30, 20 to 30 variables into a piece of software to keep you confused and inundated and wondering, did I choose the right one? Did it go into the right pair? Because then it can fit on 4 or 5 pairs, or it's the opposite, that they only have this system that can work on one pair, the Euro USD or the British Gold Pound USD, it's usually the cable of some sort, right? And it can only work between on a 1 hour chart between this time and this time. You can't trade it on the London session. You can only trade it at this. They have so many rules to those variables that you get lost. So we came up with a concept here. We wanted to first teach you how to trade the way a bot would trade without the bot. So we wanted to teach you to trade simply, right? And then 2, we want to teach you how to manage. Manage. And then 3, how to cover, right? This is important. Not recover. Remember, that's a form of loss and trying to get it back. I'm talking about covering yourself. Stop losses, take profits, risk to reward, those things. Okay? And then 4, how to produce. Now, what does this mean for you? Well, in production, the act of making something consistently good, you have to reproduce it. So in producing the product for you is to know when to allow automation to kick in. But the problem is with most people is that they don't learn how the bot trades first. So they don't know the rules. They don't know the variables. They don't know the procedure. They don't know how to test it. They don't know how to make sure that it's still doing good. So, in our little world, you first come into our system and you will learn the network. You'll learn how to trade. You'll then demo, or what we call training. Okay, you'll train. All right, and then you'll start earning. And once you start earning in the process, once you get through the demo, which takes 300 or 400 trades, once you start earning and get to that level, and I see that your discipline and patience, because those are 2 different things, Patience is the act of being able to wait for the right opportunity, and discipline is the act of doing the right thing with that patience once the opportunity presents itself. So you first have to get this discipline and patience thing down. Once you get that down, I'm going to deliver you an opportunity to be able to use and have our EA, because you've earned it at that point. You've earned that opportunity on that EA. And what will this EA do? Well, let's go have a look. Now, before I take you over there, let me tell you right now, like the risk disclaimer says, this thing is made for consistency. Okay, so the first thing that we did with this bot is that we forward tested it. Let me get over here. Make sure I'm on. Yep. We forward tested it. Now, we forward tested this bot for months and months and months and months and months, and we had a lot of different variables to work with. We back tested it, we forward tested it, and now this is a live test. Look at that. We started this the other day. This is a live test. It's a live account. You can see there's our demo account and there's our live account, Our City Investments. Okay. You can see easily enough that our expert advisor is right on board. This is our Simply Forex. There's our inputs. Oh, wait, look at all those crazy ass inputs that you got up there. Thousands of them, right? No, 3. The reason being is that all the other complicated stuff has already been worn down into the process. Now, this is our more dynamic. We have another one that's exactly, that will do some, we can teach you to the next phase of it, but really this one, the values and the variables are all about the stop loss at this point or take profit, okay? So when certain things happen, as you can kind of see right here, this up position, this buy position, what did it yield? And when does it get out? And that all is proprietary in the system. But you can kind of see right here, I mean, it's, I know, right? Don't even look at the number. $8.79 live in this position on this account for this day, for this 24-hour period. But that is 87, because remember, this is a mini lot. So you times that by 10. That's 87 pips in a day. What does 87 pips look like for your day? A mini lot? $87.90. A standard lot? $879. What does that look like for you? So I'm not this kind of company that's going to sit here and show you all this stuff and say, hey, look how great my bot is. You're looking at this window, but it really is going like this. The act of learning how to do this is doing what we're doing now, is that you go in and start to forward test, which means putting this bot on your demo account. But you won't get to that bot until you go through the Simply Forex system and start to work the program and figure out how to trade this process even without the bot. Remember, learning the system is going to keep you from losing all your money. I don't want you to lose all your money. I want you to know how to protect yourself. I want you to be able to see the opportunities when to get in. So when you're in front of the computer and you can trade, you can get in at certain times, call this a sell, get in, know how to get in, know how to manage it, know how to protect it, know how to keep it going. And then when the time comes, be able to test, range, and figure out how to use your EA, the Simply Forex EA, to the best of its ability to trade in those times that you can't. Remember, we're only as good as the tools that we use. And if we don't know how to use the tools properly, that's not a craftsman. All right. So I hope you got something from this video. This is going out to all of our members that are already in the Simply Forex system first. For those that are not in the Simply Forex system, simply go to the home page, go to the Getting Started page, and buy in. Get your groove on now. There's some coupon codes that are right on that page. If not, then contact Amy down in the email support system or the chat support or even the phone support that we have on the site if it's during working hours. I'll pick up the phone, or another senior rep will pick up the phone. We want you to be successful. Yep, there's my dog telling me she needs to go out. I'll talk to you all soon. I can't wait to see you inside. If you do take this opportunity, you won't regret it. We're here to work with you. This is sort of a mentoring program throughout, with everything, with our journals, our traders chat room, everything. Our learning center has all the learning systems that you need on board to learn the process, and soon to be coming with the bot training and EA training in that solution as well for those that reach it. You won't be able to even touch that EA training until you go through all of this training in there first. And you consult with me. That's right. We're responsible. Put this tool in the wrong hands and it could kill you. It could ruin your entire account. All right. That's my time. I'll talk to you all soon. I'm Max Farrow. This is Simply Forex, trading Forex simply. I'll see you next time. And as always, trade well.